Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your board into Trello using your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your board into Trello, you just simply have to open any of your browser that you use into your computer. And after opening the browser, just simply open the site of Trello.com. And now you will get to see all of your boards after logging in into your browser. Now you just simply have to open a board which you want to delete. And after opening the board, you will get to see these three dots besides the share option. Just simply tap into that three dots and scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get the option of close board. Just simply tap into close board. Then after that, tap to leave board, and then after that you will get the option of permanently delete board. Just simply tap into that option and click to delete. This way you can easily delete your board permanently into Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.